Honda has unveiled its 450 million shillings assembly plant here in Nairobi. This, it expects, will help it grow its market share in the growing motorcycle market in Kenya. Philip Keitani attended the launch and has this report.
Motorcycles, or boda boda as it is commonly referred to locally, is fast becoming a growing fixture on the Kenyan roads. This means of transport was initially common in rural Kenya, but more recently it has started getting a foothold in urban areas.
Go ahead. Julie cars, please.
But with its growth in the market, so has been the need for supply, the latest entrant being Honda Kenya. According to statistics by Honda, Kenya caught up with South Africa and Nigeria in terms of sales of motorcycles. This they add, so the average nationwide sales grow by 3% compared to the previous year to hit over 100,000 mark in sales.
All the motorcycle suppliers plus yourselves, and being the industry leader, you will take time to ensure that safety principles are enshrined and are instilled on the people who will be using or who will be buying these motorbikes.
Honda started its production in October this year and expect an annual output of 25,000 motorcycles in the market. This it expects will give it an advantage in the market that is witnessing growth and competition. This, the government says, is welcomed as part of the growing local jobs.
And that is why we have rolled out a 5,000 megawatts plan to ensure that we expand generation of energy and electricity in our country, so that through the process of supply and demand, we can reduce the cost of energy to our industries and manufacturing plants, so that we can reduce the costs of the products from our industries and make them competitive and use it to expand our economy.
The manufacturer, as part of its market reach, has also launched its Honda Ace 125, which it says is especially modeled for the Kenyan market. Philip Keitani, KTN Business.